You might know clove as the little spice that adds flavor to your favorite dishes, but did you know that it is also packed with health benefits? From improving your teeth to keeping your stomach happy, cloves are like a secret superfood hidden in your kitchen. Cloves are rich in antioxidants, such as eugenol, which play a key role in reducing oxidative stress and preventing chronic diseases. Let us look at the top 8 health benefits of cloves. At number 1, has anti-inflammatory properties. Cloves contain compounds such as eugenol, which possess anti-inflammatory properties. They may help alleviate symptoms associated with inflammatory conditions like arthritis and inflammatory bowel diseases. At number 2, helps with pain relief. Cloves have been traditionally used as a natural remedy for pain relief, including toothaches and headaches. Eugenol in cloves acts as a natural anesthetic and analgesic. At number 3, improves dental health. Cloves have been used for centuries in traditional medicine to alleviate toothaches and improve overall dental health. Clove oil or clove extract is commonly used in dental care products due to its analgesic and antiseptic properties. At number 4, improves digestive health. Cloves can aid digestion by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes. Cloves contain compounds such as eugenol, which have been traditionally used to aid digestion and alleviate gastrointestinal discomfort, including bloating and gas. At number 5, has antibacterial properties. Cloves possess strong antibacterial properties that can help fight off bacteria and prevent infections. They have been used traditionally to treat various bacterial infections, including those affecting the mouth, throat, and digestive system. At number 6, improves respiratory health. Cloves are used in traditional medicine to relieve respiratory issues such as coughs, colds, asthma, and bronchitis. Their expectorant properties help loosen mucus and facilitate breathing. At number 7, helps with blood sugar regulation. Studies have indicated that cloves may help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, which could be beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing diabetes. And finally, at number 8, improves liver health. Some research suggests that cloves can support liver health by promoting liver function and protecting against liver damage. Studies have shown that certain compounds in cloves can help enhance liver detoxification processes. By discovering the amazing things cloves can do, we see how simple ingredients can make a big difference in our health. So, let's spice up our lives with the power of cloves and embrace a healthier, happier tomorrow. For related articles and updates, look at the description below. We hope you found this video useful. Please like and subscribe to keep connected. Thank you.